2025 February calendar. We are going to start from Monday to Sunday. As you can see that Monday till Friday is still January. We are not going to left it out. We are going to read from Monday till Friday. Then we begin on Saturday where February started. Let's start. We are going to read the calendar both in English and in Igbo. That is Eke, Ore, Afo, Nkwo. Let's start. Monday, 27th January is Afo. Tuesday, 28th January, Nkwo. Wednesday, 29th January, Eke. Thursday, 30th January, Ore. Friday, 31st January, Afo Day. So, January ended on Afo Day. That is 31st. Now, let's start February. February started on the Saturday, 1st, Nkwo Day. Sunday, 2nd, Eke Day. 3rd, Monday, Ore Day. 4th, Tuesday, Afo Day. 5th February, Wednesday, Nkwo Day. 6th February, Thursday, Eke Day. Friday, 7th February, Ore Day. Saturday, 8th February, Afo Day. Sunday, 9th February, Nkwo Day. Monday, 10th February, Eke Day. Tuesday, 11th February, Ore Day. Wednesday, 12th February, Afo Day. Thursday, 13th February, Nkwo Day. Friday, 14th February, Eke Day. Saturday, 15th February, Ore Day. Sunday, 16th February, Afo Day. 17th is Nkwo. 18th, Eke. 19th, Ore. 20, Afo. 21, Nkwo. 22, Eke. 23, Ore. 24th, Afo. 25, Nkwo. 26, Eke. 27, Ore. 28, Afo. 28th February is Afo Day. And the February 2025 ended on 28